In this lecture, I'm going to create a Hecate-inspired anointing oil. This anointing oil is going to be a 4 elements Firey Rose oil. For the anointing oil, I'm going to use lavender, frankincense, juniper, myrrh, rose, sage and helichrysum essential oils, and I'm going to use dried sunflower, orange flower petals, dried roses and dried sage. I'll also be using grapeseed oil as the carrier oil and a 30ml bottle with a dropper pipette top. The anointing oil contains elements that connect to the 4 elements of air, water, fire and earth. So frankincense, for example, in the Greek magical papyri, frankincense is the second most common incense after myrrh, and that's taken from Entering Hecate's Garden, which is a book that I have downloaded from Amazon on Kindle. I'll also be using the juniper, which is sacred to Hecate. Juniper contains fire energy and is great for promoting courage and clarity and assertiveness. Juniper is also a great purifying herbal oil to banish negativity and evil. It's great for purification and protection and promoting willpower. Juniper corresponds to the fire and earth element. Lavender, to the Greeks, was used for many different healing purposes and to heal many different ailments. Lavender can be used for spiritual and physical purification. It's calming and it promotes clarity, and lavender corresponds to the air element. Myrrh also corresponds to the air element, and it can be used to attune to the ancient mysteries. Myrrh is associated with the dragon and phoenix energy and can be used to tap into the energy of transformation and the life-death rebirth cycle. Myrrh can also assist us in tapping into our psychic ability. Myrrh can also assist with tapping into the spiritual realm, and it can be used for initiation, purification, blessings, manifestation and sacred rites. Myrrh is associated with the air element. And as per the book Hecate's Garden, some translations say that Hecate is known as the Firey Rose. So in Hecate's Garden, the book, it refers to the Chaldean oracles, which refer to Hecate as the Firey Rose. Wild roses are known as the witch's briar and were used in temples for rituals and rites. Roses can be used to strengthen psychic ability and to tap into the sacredness of life, and it's also great for opening the heart. Dead roses and thorns can be used in banishing rituals and for clearing negative energy. Rose oil brings the energy of love, healing, protection, trust, and is associated with the water element and the moon and the planet Venus. Roses also represent new beginnings. Sage is used for cleansing and protection and for connecting to the spiritual realm and to promote relaxation and deep peace. Sage promotes passion, clarity and well-being, and sage corresponds to the earth and the air elements. So for this Hecate 4 elements Firey Rose oil, I'm going to use 3 drops of lavender, 7 drops of frankincense, 3 drops of juniper, 5 drops of myrrh, 7 drops of rose, 3 drops of sage and 2 drops of helichrysum. And I'll also be using the dried sunflower, dried orange flower petals, dried roses and dried sage, and some myrrh and frankincense resin, which I will place into the bottle. I'm also going to include some amethyst crystal chips, and this will help with inspiration, psychic awareness and psychic ability, and it will also help in opening the third eye and the crown chakra.